Welcome everyone to today's video, where we're diving into a fascinating coding problem. The issue at hand revolves around a common scenario faced by developers, the dilemma of performing actions within a destructor in C++. In this situation, the problem arises when we want to check a condition before an object's destruction and potentially create a new instance of the same object type. Now, let's delve into the solution for this intriguing problem. The key lies in understanding the nuances of object lifetimes in C++. The proposed solution involves invoking the move constructor of the object within the destructor to handle the scenario effectively. By utilizing the move constructor, we aim to prolong the subscription by creating a new instance of the object with the same data before the current object is destroyed. In essence, the solution provided hinges on leveraging the move constructor within the object's destructor to manage the object's lifetime effectively. It's crucial to adhere to the guidelines set forth in the C++ standards to ensure the safe and correct execution of the code. By following these principles, developers can navigate such complex scenarios with confidence and precision. In conclusion, we've explored a fascinating problem in C++ programming and delved into a clever solution to address it effectively. Remember, when dealing with object lifetimes and destructor actions, it's essential to adhere to the language standards and best practices. I hope you found this discussion insightful and helpful for your coding journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy coding, and until next time.